And how fucking dare anyone suspend Mr. Pregnant after all the man has been through? He's lost his mind. He's going through a suspension. His only friend turned out to be a chicken. And now the man is going through a suspension. And all you people care about your damn viewers and making money off the man. He's a human. What you don't realize is that Mr. Pregnant has made you all this money and all you give is a bunch of blood clot crap about how he's crazy and he's fat and he's nasty. The man act like a whore for a reason because all he wants is a whore. Leave Mr. Pregnant alone. You're lucky to the man even perform for you bastards. Leave Mr. Pregnant alone. Please. A smart man talk about professionalism and said if he was a professional, he would look like a Rasta. Speaking of professionalism, when is it professional for take a Jamaican off the internet because leave Mr. Pregnant alone? Please. Leave Mr. Pregnant alone right now. I mean it. Anyone out there who have a problem with Mr. Pregnant have a problem with me because he was my friend. Suck us now. Leave him alone.